Aloha, my name is Taffy and I'm from Hong Kong. I'm the oldest of three in my family, so which means all my siblings right now they are all students. I have served my mission in Australia after I graduated from high school, and I have worked in several part-time jobs in some big company, including Hong Kong Disneyland and Uniqlo Japan. I'm planning to graduate in 2 years, which is majoring in communication, and I would like to minor in marketing and also some other business aspects. I want to work for the airlines after I graduate, and this has been my goal. And also, I would like to work for some social media expertise. I would definitely want to live in somewhere outside from Hong Kong just because Hong Kong right now with all these different political reasons is a little bit unstable. And yeah, I would like to know more about you guys as well. Thank you.